how to make a cute squishy. This is really, really, really cute, and so I want to share it with y'all. And so this is a no cotton and no sponge way to make it. So and and everyone usually has these things. So if you don't, then I don't know what you can make a squishy with, but most people have it, so you probably can. What you'll need to make it is some tissues. You'll need a plastic bag. You'll need some tape, and you'll need scissors. Oh, and markers can be optional. So you'll start by taking one tissue, okay? You want to cut a bit of your plastic bag and put it in the middle. Scrunch it up like this and put it in there. Then you're gonna wanna take it and you're gonna wanna make it kind of like you're gonna wanna have everything like fold inside, like like this into the middle. It goes. Now we're gonna need some tape. Oh no, my tape is missing. I wonder where it went. Oh, please help me. Oh, there it is. Well, thanks whoever gave me the tape. It's very generous of you. So, yeah. You're gonna wanna take a piece of tape and you're gonna wanna like tape it like that. It's kind of messy, I know, but like, yeah. And if you wanna, it doesn't have to be perfect at this stage, since next we're gonna take another one of these dishes and make another layer. And that layer, you can shape it into any perfect shape you want. I like to leave a lot of air in there so it can be more like a squishy, but it's really your choice. So, and I don't like to make it too tight since tight squishies are not fun. So again, you're going to take a piece of tape. I'm doing it off camera and tape it like that. And there's some more areas you might want to tape. Like, I want to tape here. Oh, and I can rip tape with my bare hands. If you didn't know that, I can do that. But it's kind of hard right now. I don't know why. Watch this. I'll do it with another piece. So I have this in two pieces now. Put one piece here and one piece here. Now it's so squishy and fun to play with. I made this one into a square. You can cut it now that you've got that layer on to make it into the perfect shape. But you're also going to want to tape it a little more if you cut it, because then so it can hold its shape. I don't know. I'm squishing it. Does it give ASMR? I wonder. And so let's have some magic clean it up for us. So our final result is this. Now hang in there while I color it with all my cute colors. I love dogs more than cats, so I'm gonna make it a husky to represent our husky. This is my simple way of drawing a husky. They can get much more harder to draw, so I always do my simple way. Okay, this is a little creepy, but it's fun. So cute at the same time. So, Heart Husky is, or right now, I might change it later on. The channel is a blue magical husky. So I'm gonna make the heart blue. I can't decide on one theme for Heart Husky. So right now, I think it'll be mystical blue. Okay, so there's a piece of tape here, so I can't draw over that. But since you watched this video, you will probably know why. You didn't watch it. I'll always explain if I show this video. Since some people haven't watched this video. He's so cute. I'm gonna write Heart Husky if possible. Yeah, it's kinda hard. But that is how you make a squishy without cotton or sponge. It matters cuteness, but it matters less. It mostly matters the squish. So, yeah. And have a nice day. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Wait, let's add more aesthetic